Hi there. Today we're going to be showing you how to properly clean your hot tub filters. This is an important process for any hot tub owner and it should be done every 30 days. Let's get started. First, you're going to need a few supplies: filter cleaner, a large bucket or bathtub in the winter, and a garden hose or faucet. First, you're going to take the lid off to reveal the filters. Next, unscrew the tops and remove the filters. Once you have removed the filters from the tub, you can leave it running, but you cannot use the tub or add chemicals. With this in mind, many of our customers have a second set of filters to rotate in while the other set is being cleaned so that they never miss every day made better. You'll note that you have two different kinds of filters: Tri-X filters and paper filters. Once you've removed all of your filters, which vary in number depending on the tub, you can transport them to your garden hose or, in the winter months, your bathtub. The first thing you'll do is give them a preliminary rinse. This will get off any large debris right away. Next, you're going to use filter cleaner. This is an absolutely crucial step. Washing your filters without cleaner is just like washing your hair without shampoo. There will still be grease and dirt left behind. Today we'll be showing you the two different options for cleaning methods: spraying and soaking. If you choose to spray your filters, simply spray the cleaner thoroughly all over the filter. Then, just let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. If you choose to soak your filters, which does get a much deeper clean, simply put the recommended amount of cleaner into a bucket of water. Then, stir the cleaner into the bucket of water to get it thoroughly distributed and dissolved. Place the filters in the bucket to soak. The filters will need to soak for at least 10 hours, but we recommend 12 to 24 hours or overnight. Whether you sprayed or soaked, the next step is to rinse. It is very important that the filters get rinsed thoroughly, or else your hot tub will end up with unwanted bubbles and suds. First, rinse them in a tub of clean, fresh water. Then, rinse them thoroughly with a hose until the water runs clear. The last step is a final rinse to assure all the cleaner is out. The first option is to let the filters sit in fresh, cold water for 20 minutes. If you have paper filters, this is your only option. However, if you have Tri-X filters, you can choose the second option of rinsing your filters in the dishwasher, which we will show you how to do now. If you decide to use the dishwasher, you cannot use soap and must use cold water. This is only an option for Tri-X filters, and paper filters cannot be put in the dishwasher. Use the rinse only button when using the dishwasher, and remember, no soap. Once your filters are thoroughly rinsed, they can be put back in the hot tub. The last step is to get in and enjoy every day made better.